That hits the spot. Unpacking an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversations with native speakers. That hits the spot. It's a colorful expression with a straightforward meaning, yet it carries a lot of emotion and satisfaction within its words. So, let's break it down together. When someone says, "That hits the spot," they are expressing a deep sense of satisfaction or relief that comes after a need or desire has been fulfilled. Imagine feeling extremely thirsty on a hot day and then drinking a glass of cold water. The moment you feel refreshed, you might say, "Ah, that hits the spot." This phrase can be used in various contexts, not just for food and drink, but for anything that provides a strong sense of satisfaction or relief. The exact origins of "that hits the spot" are somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have come from the idea of hitting a specific spot or target accurately. This could relate to satisfying a particular need or desire perfectly, just like hitting the bullseye on a target. Over time, it became a popular way to express satisfaction in everyday language. This phrase is mostly used in informal settings. Here are a few examples to show you how it can be incorporated into everyday conversations. After eating a delicious meal, you might lean back and say, "Wow, that really hit the spot." If you were feeling cold and someone offered you a warm blanket, you could respond with, "Thank you, that hits the spot." It's a versatile phrase that you can use in any situation where you want to express that something has perfectly satisfied a particular need or desire. And that's a wrap on "That Hits the Spot." We hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of this phrase but also how it's used in real-life conversations. English is full of such expressive phrases that make the language rich and fun to learn. Remember, the key to mastering English is not just learning the words but understanding the emotion and context behind them. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "that hits the spot" next time you experience that perfect moment of satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.